Hey friends, and welcome back to another video. I am in desperate need of a new set of nails, and guess what time it is? My favorite time of the year. It is December, so that means it is time for my first set of Christmas nails. I just got my first set of Christmas nails delivered yesterday, and I may have 2 more sets being delivered today, so stay tuned for 2 more holiday nail videos coming soon. But let's go ahead and take a look at the set I'm going to be using today. I think these are so cute. And as you can see here, we have a few different designs in this set of nails. We have some with Christmas lights, red and white polka dot, the Christmas trees, and candy canes. I think my favorite design in this package is probably going to be a tie. I love the Christmas light design, and I really think the Christmas trees are cute. If you're interested in checking out these nails, I will put a link in the description. And also, if you are not subscribed, please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So as you can see, the base of these nails are white. So just an FYI, you are not going to want to file the tips of these or your paint is going to wear off on the tip. I do want to show you something real quick before I put these on my nails. And this makes me kind of disappointed in these nails. I want to show you the edges of these nails. As you can see here, they're not painted properly. There's like lines and it's kind of see-through a little bit. And it's on both edges of this black one. And I even see it on the red nails. I mean, granted, you're going to have to be up close to like really see that they're not painted properly, but it's just kind of disappointing. And I just love the design so much that I'm still going to use them. I have my nails all laid out and I'm excited to get them on my fingers. And looking down at them once I have them all laid out, it's definitely not as noticeable that the edges aren't painted correctly. So I think we're going to be okay with them, and I'm really excited to get them on because I think they're going to be really cute. Here is the finished product. I really like how they turned out. Once you have them on, you really cannot tell that you have the imperfections on the sides. I think they are really cute. I really do like the designs. I think the designs are very cute and Christmassy. If you guys are interested in checking out these nails, I will put a link in the description. And also, if you are not subscribed, please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will see you next time. Bye!